Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. In this video we are going to take a look at how Shutterstock works. Since we want to learn how to sell vectors on Shutterstock to earn money, we will focusing on the contributor part. Shutterstock offers a huge opportunity for those who create digital vector art. If you are a good graphic designer, this website can make you a good income. Once they accept you as a contributor, you can immediately start earning money. You only need to create outstanding vector illustrations. Your artworks will reach thousands and millions of visitors through this site. For each sale, Shutterstock will give you a percentage depending on your contributor level. There are 3 ways you can be paid: PayPal, Skrill and bank check. Your earnings will be calculated on the 1st of every month and you will be paid after 2 weeks. So, if you are a graphic designer who loves to create vectors and illustrations, this website is a great opportunity to earn a good amount of money from your digital artwork. Be creative and focus on both quantity and quality. In the next video we will learn about how much will I be paid as a contributor to Shutterstock. So I will see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I advise you to do so, and also click on the bell to be notified when I post a new video.